This is Preeti Monchalani from Product Management Team in SAP Analytics Cloud. In this video, I'm going to take you 2 quick minutes to talk about the coolest feature ever in SAP Analytics Cloud, which is Smart Insights. Let me start by giving you 3 important reasons which will prompt you to try this feature today at your fingertips in existing dashboards. First, it allows viewers to drive insights independently without needing edit or create writes on the stories. Second, it automatically generates the natural language explanation for the point of interest. Third, it really helps your business user to unleash the data sitting underneath your stories. Finally, the good news is that it is now available for live data sources starting with SAP HANA. Let me show you it in real. Assuming a role of Chief Strategy Officer of an IT company which sells different products across the globe in different industry sectors. On the top right corner of this dashboard, I find 4 interesting facts. That gross margin has been declining in Q4, cloud business is picking well, and the business applications category is doing well in cloud, and also that the human services industry sector plus Italy as a country have highest gross margins. So how did we come to this insights? Indeed, using Smart Insights feature in SAP Analytics Cloud. So first insight is this natural language generation for gross margin and the side panel which is generated from Smart Insights. It shows time-based changes, and these charts can be added on existing dashboards for sharing with other users in your company. Then the top contributor analysis, which shows different factors contributing to gross margin, and this is where I found human services industry sector. This generated more curiosity, and then I launched Smart Insights for human services industry sector. As you see here, the insights are context sensitive, they are generated again, and they are different from what we found before. And literally Smart Insights is available anywhere on this dashboard. For this specific data point, for a cell of a table, for variances, and in case of average calculation, I also see outliers. And finally, in case of complex calculation, it explains the formula, and I can just go on and on asking different questions using Smart Insights. So I feel really excited that my stories are now interesting and interactive, and I hope you too feel excited to try this feature now.